Fantastic job.
All right, well,
Thank you, everyone.
this is
Feedback. Cool.
yeah, lots of feedback.
Yep. Check me out.
Well, that's the wrong one. Let's try this one.
It's close.
I get too many questions. I don't know why. I think I'm in a movie. I can't get by. I see the people staring. My friends all laugh. My head is. That's really not the way we should do this. About